Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to transfer a block of data from a source location to a destination location using a microcontroller program. Block data transfer means copying multiple data value. Here we are using a microcontroller simulation environment. First, we create a new project. Select the required microcontroller and open the editor window where we will write the program. In this program, we will load the starting address of the course, load the starting address of the destination, set a counter to define how many data values to transfer, use a loop to copy data one by one. Let us understand the code step by step. First, we initial the source pointer to the point to the starting memory location. Then, we initialize the destination pointer. Next, we load a counter register with the number of data bytes to transfer. Now, inside the loop, we move data from the source location into the accumulator. Then, we move the data into the destination location. After that, we increment both the source and destination pointers. Now, we run the program using the simulator. As we can see in the memory window, all the values have been transferred correctly from the source block to the destination block. Now, we run the program using the simulator. You can observe that the data from the source memory is copied successfully to the destination memory. So, this is how block data transfer work in microcontroller. Thank you for watching.